right, what's up, guys? So I want to make this video, right? And I want to talk about something. Time is running out. Your time is running out. It's always running out. Every time you think that you have something going or you got more time to do something, you don't. The most valuable resource that we have on this earth, the most valuable one, is time. Because with time, time buys you options. And options get you status in life. Options are the things that make your life more fulfilling. And I'm telling you right now, stop wasting your time. Stop wasting my time. Because don't come to me and complain about being broke when your entire life you've been mediocre. Your entire life you've been half-assing it. Yes, you who is saying that, oh man, I'm trying to get out of poverty. I'm trying to get out of poverty. I'm trying to, get some money. But you're not doing anything to do that. What have you done? Write it down on a piece of paper right now and let me know what you've done. Are you still working that same fast food job you've been working for the past 10 years? Of course you're still broke. If you're single, young, and have no kids, no wife, no responsibilities, you have no excuse not to be grinding, and you have no excuse to really be broke. There's a difference, and I say this all the time, there's a difference between being patient and being lazy. And far too many times, most people are just lazy. And I tell this because I know, because I've been there, and it's a struggle you have to go through and fight for the rest of your life. But I'm telling you, if you plan, take action, and keep moving with it, you're going to get somewhere. But don't sit here and tell me that you want to do something and that you want to be something, but you haven't even given it any real effort. Businesses don't take off for 5 years. That's the statistic. Look that up. It takes a business 5 years before you start seeing anything from it. It's common knowledge. If you want to be somewhere in life, if you want somebody to hold you accountable, I'm the one. I'm the one that's going to call you out on your shit because you need somebody to tell you this. You have these dreams of doing all this stuff. You have these dreams of doing some side hustle thing. Well, guess what, man? You ain't got the money to fund that. You ain't got the money to fucking fund it. How you gonna fund a business when you ain't even fucking got money to put food on the table? This is not a motherfucking Hollywood movie. This is life. Get a fucking job. Get 2 jobs. Save up some fucking money and then start the shit. Everybody wants a fucking easy handout, and that's just not how life works. Use your time wisely. Stay up. Get up early. Do something. Get active. Because you're going to be one of the people that sits back and says, man, what happened to the time? Time sure flew by. And you get to watch all the other people, all the real people that want to have success, all the real entrepreneurs, all the real people like that, get stuff done. And you're going to be sitting back in the same place you were the previous year, wondering what happened. Make your decision and do something. Let me know what it is that you want to do. Let me know if you found this video helpful. I need to know, because that's the first step. If you can't even admit to me on an online platform what it is that you want to do, and I bet you're going to have so many excuses for why you haven't done that. Oh, this, that, and the other. Oh, whoever's in office. Oh, who it. I promise you, that's exactly how it's going to be. Somebody in the comments is going to be like, oh, well, I have this extenuating circumstance of this, that, and the other. Are both your motherfucking arms broke? No, because you're typing on this goddamn YouTube channel. Quit making all these excuses and start getting things done. I don't want to hear it. Let me know what you're doing. Make a plan. Put it down in the comments. All right, I'm out.